I love this. This. I love this. Some people loathe it. I love it. I love being on camera. Good thing, huh? It wasn't always this easy though, I will say. There's a lot of practice, there's some tools, there's some tips. And I'm gonna share with you in this upcoming video some of my top from my recent course, Speaking with Ease on Camera. I don't remember the name of the video. Tip number 1, make sure you have the video title down first. So I recently launched a course. It's an all-in-one guide. It has everything within inside of it. So some of the tools and tips that I've included into that e-course, I'm gonna share with you a top tip here that I use for lowering anxiety before going in front of the camera. And even as I just did now, if you screw up, that's okay. So if this is an explainer video or it's a single camera or you're talking directly to, like in one of those YouTube how-tos or a vlog, you want to think of the lens as a person. Imagine you're talking to a friend, or if it's work related, you're talking to a coworker. And you have to get a little creative with your visual sense, but imagine that you're talking directly to a person. How would you speak to that person? How would you phrase a question or a statement? It would flow. It wouldn't be so robotic because they would look at you like you have something wrong with you. So you want to just imagine like, hey, this is my friend GH5. Actually, I name all my cameras and my gear. So this is Queen G. This is Queen G. Hi, Queen G. How you doing? We're gonna do a confidence on camera. So imagine that the lens is like the eye of a person that you're speaking to. If I haven't mentioned this one enough, remember to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So if you found this useful, como siempre, as always, give it a thumbs up. Share this video, perhaps with a colleague, a friend, and if you are interested in more, I'm gonna drop the link for the e-course below. You can get started. It takes you step by step on preparing before you wanna do your video, the whole setup of how you wanna get your entire space set up, the gear that I use, calming nerves before getting in front of the camera. There's worksheets, exercises. I take you through it all. And if it's still not enough, you can also do some coaching with me. See you again in another upcoming video here on Live Free TV. Thank you for being here, a part of this show. Have fun. At the end of the day, have fun with it. And when you lean into that fun, you develop the skill set and allow your mind that space to be. You've got this.